Hi, I'm Julie Goodwin. To celebrate World Egg Day this October, we're having a look at eggs through the ages. As a child of the 70s, I can't think of a more iconic recipe than my mum's deviled eggs. I'm going to show you both her traditional recipe and also maybe a little bit of a twist that you might like to do for your dinner party. You want hard-boiled eggs, but not awfully overcooked. 6 minutes in rapidly boiling water does the job. Plunge them into ice water afterwards to make peeling easier. Super fresh eggs are a bit harder to peel, so use your oldest eggs for this recipe and take care removing the yolks. You can mix these up with all sorts of flavours for a modern twist. These are the old school curry powder ones, and there's some smoked salmon ones here too. These were always the first thing to go on my mum's party buffet table, and they will be on yours too. So there you go, beautiful deviled eggs. Delicious, nutritious, very inexpensive and an absolute crowd pleaser.